Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this particular video, I'll be talking about a simple command line tool called Screen Copy. Screen Copy is the tool which will make an Android developer's life easy. Basically, it's a tool which allows you to render or mirror your Android device onto your system. So it is available for all the major operating systems. It could be Mac OS, Windows, or Linux based operating system. So in order to install it onto your system, so I'm using a Mac OS. I'll be going into the instructions, which is like very clear for Mac OS. For Windows and Linux specific instructions, you can always go to their GitHub repository. For Windows, it will be pretty straightforward that you just go onto their GitHub repository and download a binary and install it onto your system. For Mac, you have to install it via Brew. And in order to install Brew, if you don't know what Brew is and how it is installed, just go on to brew.sh, copy the link, copy the command, and paste it into your terminal. And let me just increase the font up and paste this command here. Press enter. It will install Brew, and once Brew is installed, just type in brew install scrcpy. So scrcpy is shortened for screen copy, and because I already have it installed, so it will not do anything for me, and it will just ask me if I want to reinstall it or something like that. So you can see that it tells me to if I want to reinstall it. So I have already installed it. Now if I do brew, sorry, if I do a screen copy, I can see, oh okay, I have multiple devices connected, so let me just disconnect. This is not a command which is related to this particular video, but I will be just disconnecting it. So now when I do screen copy, I am greeted with this particular screen copy window which renders the whole device, and I can interact with it. I can see, like, I can open an app, I can interact with it. There are like multiple tools available to the market which you can use for the same purpose, but always remember that most of these tools will always have some sort of a premium subscription based on the performance required. But Screen Copy is open source tool and it's been created by Genymotion. So it does not lock you into a system where if you want to gain 60 FPS performance or something like that, or you want to hop up the resolution, you want to decrease the resolutions, and anything that you want to do, it does not lock you into a certain way that you need to pay for it and then you can access a certain feature. So there will be like cases where you don't want to use a USB cable to do this whole stuff. You can also do it via a remote ADB. So to achieve this, you have to just connect your device, push in the command ADB, TCP, IP, and 5555. So this is the port in which I'll be via which I'll be connected to my device. Now I will be ADB connect 192.168.29. So make sure that you go into your settings, Wi-Fi settings, and make sure that you are into the same network. So I'm just going to find out my IP address, and my IP address is 29.79, and if I say connect, it says connected. Now I don't need the cables anymore, and if I say that ADB devices, it will list me the devices. So there is one device which is connected via an IP address into the same local network. Now if I do screen copy command, it will run wirelessly. Now if I run the app, let's say that I choose the device, I run the app, it says installing. Once the installation is done, you can see the app is installed. So it's a pretty handy tool.